Hey guys, I hope you're well. Sorry about the sick view. And by sick, I don't mean good or neat or cool as a young person would use it. Oh man, that's sick. Oddly enough, it works. When something is incredibly cool, it is sick. Um, but I digress. I'm going to get this video posted before midnight. Now, what are you looking at here? Oh, well, scribblage. I wanted to tell a story. I wanted to tell my story about the very first phrase that I ever copied in CW. The very first words I ever copied in CW in my whole life. That's my story. Okay? This god awful new phone creates video files that discombobulate my video editor, man. Oh my God. I've got three computers working on that story right now. Some at 60 frames per second, two of them at 30 frames per second. One computer is an i7 powerhouse, the other's an AMD powerhouse. You know, initially they predicted that the ETA would be about 3 hours. Well, they're down to 2 hours now, and that was 5 hours. They've been working for 5 hours, and 1 hour has come off the ETA. And normally I don't care. Now, ignore the end-fed half-wave rant that's coming soon. And that's what you're looking at, man. My upcoming video series. And I'm going to take this opportunity to celebrate in my own way the anniversary date of Guglielmo Marconi's transatlantic transmission being copied successfully for the first time on December 12th, 1901. Is that not crazy? And in the 90s, I was able to carry on a half-hour QSO with a fellow QRP enthusiast in southern Argentina using 2.5 milliwatts. It all began with Marconi and others. Marconi being an Italian inventor and electrical engineer, born April 25th, 1874, and having died on July 20th, 1937. I only missed him by 22 years. Is that crazy? I was born only 22 years after Marconi died? Oh my God. And my story is about what I told you, using what I call a character representative language. To me, that's what Morse code is. It's a character representative language, and developed by Samuel Fine Business Morse, born April 27th, 1791, died April 21st, 1872. The month of April figures in three times in the birth and death months of those two people. Samuel Morse, being an American inventor and painter, I hope you're well. I hope my here come the I hopes. I hope you're well. I hope my computers complete this rendering sometime tonight. Hey guys, this is the order of my next videos. This being the next one right here. Actually, yeah. What you see here is not serial number quest. I'm not hunting for serial numbers. It's a signal to noise question asked in a comment by Dr. Jimmy. What a freaking awesome name, Dr. Jimmy. Right on, man. I'm going to answer your question in the next video. Above Dr. Jimmy's name, you see KI0SK. Kind of an odd call sign, isn't it? Kiosk. Only problem, it ends in silent key. And so, video you see number one is being transcoded right now. Next, I'm going to do the one I just mentioned. And finally, I have a little bit of babblage I'd like to get out of my system about superhet design. Episode 1 of X of my Blozo's Superhet lecture series. Damn, you think Stanford would give Uncle Blozo a job? I need a job. I hope you're well. I hope you'll watch my story that I'll be posting tomorrow morning. It'd mean a lot to me, guys. I was a really young boy when my story took place. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye now.